Herpes Simplex Virus. Introduction. HSV is the virus that causes herpes and cold sores. Select true or false. Correct. Does herpes always cause symptoms? Select yes or no. Correct. There are often no signs or symptoms, or they are mild enough that the person does not notice them. Is it true that you cannot infect another person with herpes if you do not have any symptoms of the virus? Select yes or no. Correct. People with herpes can still pass the virus to others even if they don't have symptoms. Medication and creams are available to speed healing. Select true or false. Correct. Genital herpes infection makes you more vulnerable to other sexually transmitted infections or STIs including HIV and AIDS. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.